guys, in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at what I call simultaneous equation, and I've been able to come up with some of wire questions on simultaneous equation which we are going to solve together. Don't forget, I'm not solving alone, we are solving together. So but before then, there are three methods of solving simultaneous equation, even more than that, to the higher level. It's more than that, but basically three methods to the secondary school level. We have the graphical method, we have the simultaneous substitution method, and we also have the elimination method. But today in this lecture, I will walk you through on how to use the elimination. Now there are a few things you need to understand if you really want to get how to use elimination without making any mistake, any error at all. So let's go straight to the questions while I show you those things you really need to know. Alright, so if you're solving this question, simultaneous equation using elimination method, there are about two things you need to consider. Now the first thing is consider the sign. The sign here is plus, the sign here is plus. The sign here is plus, the sign here is negative. Consider sign. Number two is consider the coefficient, that is the number standing beside the letter, which is like here. Now we have 3 is the coefficient of this x, which is the one in this first equation. The second equation here we have 1, but it's invisible, so as the coefficient. Now you have to consider that coefficient and coefficient must be the same thing before you can eliminate in elimination method, and you must have different signs. Signs must not be the same thing. Take note of this first one. The first one I said coefficient must be the same. Secondly is that signs must be different. Before you can eliminate, you must have plus or minus down, or minus up plus down. That is when you can eliminate. And another one is, and the first one I said earlier, is that your coefficient must be the same thing. Your coefficient must be the same thing. Alright, let's solve this question now as I've explained to you. Now, in this place, what we have here, we have plus, we have minus, we have y. Of course, the coefficient of this y here is 1, the coefficient of this y here is 1. So definitely this y has eliminated this y. The both has eliminated each other. Just why you say plus y minus y, which is plus 1 minus 1. What is left? Nothing, 0. So definitely we've attempted that one. So the next thing you do here is that you come down here and you add. You have plus here, plus sign here, plus sign here. What do you do at this place? You say 3x plus what? Plus x, giving us 4x. So the next thing you do here, you add this is plus plus. 7 plus 1 is what? It is 8. So you can bring them together. You say 4s equal to 8. Divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1. So you have x equal to 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. So your x is equal to 2. So that is for the x equal to 2, or x. Now, for look for y, you are going to say substitute x equal to 2 in equation. You can use equation 1 or 2. I'm using equation 2. So I'm going to bring down all the equation in equation 2, that is x minus y equal to 1, and I'm looking for y since I've gotten my x, which is equal to, so whatever when I say substitute, I means wherever you see x, put 2. So I'm going to say x here is 2, so that's 2 minus y equal to 1, and my y now is what? My y is y minus y equal to 1. As this plus 2 move to the other side, it becomes minus what? Minus 2. So I'm having minus y equal to 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 will definitely give us minus 1. So I'm having minus y equal to minus 1. Minus cancel minus, so our final answer is y equal to 1. So therefore your x is equal to what? To 2, and your y is equal to 1. That's solved Okay, so this is how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. All right, so I have with me a WAEC question 2003 WAEC question on simultaneous equation using elimination method. So I'm going to let's solve together. So what you do here is, looking at this place, you can see that this is plus, this is minus, y over 4, y over 4, so it's gone. So therefore it's balanced. We have plus minus. You get it now? So it is gone. So the next thing you do here is x, this is plus, this is plus. So x over 2 plus x over 3. And equal to what you have here is 1, this is plus here, and this is minus. You have 1 minus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 6. So what you do here now is you proceed further by saying 3 times x is giving us 3x, 2 times x is giving us plus 2x, then 2 times 3 is 6. So we have what here? We have next we have 5x over 6 equal to, solving this will give us this times this, that is 6, 1 times that's 1 over 6. So we are having left, we are having 5x over 6 equal to 5 over 6. So cross multiply will give you 6 times this is 30x, 6 times 5x equal to 6 times 5 is 30, divide both sides by 30, will give you 30 here, and that's x, 30 here, 1, 30, 1. So that's giving us s equal to 1. So we substitute now, substitute for s equal to 1 in equation 1. So whenever I see equation 1, I'll put 1 there. So that's x over 2 plus y over 4 equal to 1. So x over what? X equals to 1, that's s over 2, 1 here, that's 1 over 2 plus y over 4 equal to 1. So this 4 times 1 is 4, 2 times y is plus 2y, 2 times 4 is 8, and 1. So cross multiply. Now everything here multiply by so that's giving me what? Giving us open the bracket with this one will give you the same thing. So looking for 2, looking for y, that is 2. You're having 4 plus 2y equal to 8. So your answer is 2y equal to 8. 4 plus 4 move to this side, become minus 4. That's 2y equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Divide both side by 2. So that's giving you y, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, y is equal to 2. So your x is equal to 1 and your y is equal to 2. So that's all for this question, WAEC question. You can see that simultaneous equation is very simple. It's an elimination method provided you know the steps. We've attempted this WAEC 2003 question. Thank you very much for watching. I believe you learned a lot of things in today's video. Why not share this video and thumbs up the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody. Don't keep learning alone. See you bye in the next video.